How to connect Stripe with WooCommerce. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect your Stripe account with your WooCommerce account. Now having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to need is you're going to need an account on WooCommerce and you're going to need an account on Stripe as well. So both are pretty easy to go ahead and create, and they're both free as well, but there is a pricing plan which we'll get into later. So over here you can see we're currently on WooCommerce. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create an account. Now, creating an account is actually very simple. You just simply click on the create an account button, and then all you got to do is just simply go ahead and sign up with either your email account, or you can continue with Google account, Apple, or GitHub. It depends on you. So I'm going to continue with Google. And once you're done with that, you'll automatically be logged in, and this is how you're going to be presented. I already had an account, so I just logged in, and this is my dashboard over here. So here is the dashboard. As you can see right here, we have our profile, our orders, my store is going to be over here, my subscription, get started, payments as well. Now, first things first, what you need to do is if you want to set up payments, you're going to have to come over here into the payment section. And here you're basically going to go ahead and add a payment method. All right. Now to add a payment method, just simply click on the add payment method button. Here you have a bunch of different options. So either you go with your credit card, debit card, or you go with PayPal. Now, since we want to go ahead and add Stripe as our payment method, so we want to connect Stripe, right? But there is no Stripe payment option. So we only got PayPal or credit card. Now, to do that or to add Stripe, what you need to do is you need to come over here at the top and hover your mouse over onto extensions. And underneath the extensions, you're going to see we have WooCommerce Marketplace. What you need to do is you need to click on it, and it will open up this tab right here where you can find different, extensions. So I already searched for Stripe over here, and here we have the Stripe option, and we have the Stripe tax and all of that. Now, what you need to do is you need to add this extension into your store. So before we do that, we should go ahead and create an account on Stripe as well. So to create an account on Stripe, of course, as I said before, it's free. You just simply add your email address over here and click on start now. And it will take you over to this page where you can go ahead and register your account. So email address, full name, and country and password, and you should be good to go. And once we're in, we should be good to go. So this is how it looks like. This is your Stripe account over here. Here you can go ahead and activate your payments. You just simply got to fill out your business profile and accept your payments as well. On the left hand side, you're going to have your options such as payments, billing, reports, product catalog, customer transaction, and all of that, right? So make sure to fill this out and activate your payments before you go ahead and get started. Now this is the test mode, so if we just simply turn it on, we should be good to go. But over here we need to first complete our business account or business information, fill it out, then and only then can we access Stripe fully. So here there's a bunch of different options. So this is the business where we have to verify business type, we have business details, pricing, then we got to add our bank, we got to secure our account, add extras, and review and finish. So this is going to take a lot of time. So I'm just simply going to skip all of this for now. And we're just simply going to show you how you can add, Stripe within your WooCommerce. So now that we have an account, all we got to do is simply click on add to store, back over here, Stripe for WooCommerce, in the extension store, just simply add it. And here, all you got to do is just fill out this form and you should be good to go. So this is going to be your billing address. Of course, it's free, so you don't got to worry about anything. So now let's go ahead and fill this form out. So first name, last name, company name is going to be, optional. Then you just simply add the country or region. Then you got to add the street address and postal code, and you should be good to go. Then just simply click on place free order. And once that's done, you should be good to go. There you go. It is now added. We have not bought it or, placed an order, whatever. Then we just simply click on add to store, and then we can go ahead and add our store URL. So we also have to make sure that we do that. So go back to your WooCommerce store, go to my store, and over here, just connect it to your store. So if you click on connect to your store over here, you just got to add your URL. It can be anything. It can be your WordPress store or anything like that, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. All right, so this is the website. So I'll just simply copy the link, and then I'm going to go back to my WordPress. I opened that up in another window. So I'm going to add that link over here and click on add to store, right? So here we go. So now all we need to do is, I forgot, we need to also add the WooCommerce plugin into our store. So let's go back to our dashboard, and we have the plugin right here. And over here we can create a new store, but I do believe that we already have it. So I think I need to just simply go ahead and add our account. I believe that's what this is. And you have to make sure that you upgrade your account. All right. So we already have that. So make sure you upgrade your account because that is the only way where you can go ahead and, activate your WooCommerce account. But since we already have it over here, you're going to have to add a new store, add your information. But yeah, you just simply go ahead and set up your store. All right. And then you just simply install the plugin that we just bought recently and you should be good to go. Right. So keep that in mind. So these are important things. But to do that, of course, you're going to need a paid plan on either your WordPress website or any other WordPress or any other site that you require. All right. Keep that in mind. And then you just simply come into payment section and you can go ahead and set up your payments via your Stripe account. So now that you know how to do that, let's go over some of the pricing plans and show you how much it would cost for you to go ahead and actually do this, right? So for Stripe, the pricing plan is a little bit different. Over here, they have their own structure right here, which is the standard rate. So over here, they're going to ask for a 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful charges, right? Which is going to be domestic cards over here. So keep that in mind. If you want a custom one, you can go ahead and contact their sales and get a custom option. But for the most part, you are going to receive a almost 3% rate over here. And for WooCommerce, it's going to be a little bit different. Now for WooCommerce, it's a little bit different. So instead of having like a basic or a traditional pricing plan structure, they have a very different pricing plan. So basically over here, it all depends on their hosting service, and their hosting service can cost as little as $3 or $4 per month and as high as $5,000. All right. Most hosting offer initial a low cost period, which discounts them for buying hosting services for 2 to 3 years. So keep that in mind. Now over here, you can see like hosting, domain registration often comes into the expensive introductory price that increases over time. So over here, as you can see, you can expect to pay $15 per year for each domain you use. And of course, not to mention, you also have to purchase a hosting or domain over here, and you'll gotta get the WordPress website plan as well. So it's gonna be around 120 per year on average, but it varies differently. And over here, you can see they have a bunch of different options as well. So they're basically telling you, this is basically a blog post, and in it, they're basically telling you that even though WordPress or WooCommerce, they don't especially charge you for anything, but they have a deal with WordPress where you have to go ahead and create a site on WordPress, and that is going to cost you at least $300 for the price plan that WordPress uses. So if I come over here, let me just show you. If I click on upgrades over here in the plan section, you can see you have a bunch of different options. Now, if I come over here underneath WooCommerce, and if I click on start a new store and I fill out all this plan, fill out the all the necessary answers, I have to pay around $300, all right, for 1 year. But if I go with 3 years, I have to pay $630. So keep that in mind. So for 1 year, it's going to be around $300 right here, as you can see, total. So keep that in mind. It's going to cost you quite a lot of money to add your own pricing plan, to add your own Stripe payment system over here into WooCommerce. And it's not just for Stripe as well. It's for any other payment method that you want, right? You have to connect a store to add the payment methods, and to add the store, you're going to need a WooCommerce plan as well. So keep that in mind. So whatever options you choose, it's going to cost you $300 at least. And then you're also going to have the domain expenses as well, which is also going to be around $10 to $15. And of course, you're going to have other expenses, which can vary for depending on whatever type of services that you are offering. But yeah, so this is how you do it. This is how you add your Stripe payment method over here onto WooCommerce. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.